Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
How many times can you appeal a court case? It's a common question, and the answer isn't a simple number like 2 or 3, it's about a process with specific stages. Let's break down the journey of an appeal in the American legal system. First, it's crucial to understand that an appeal is not a new trial. You don't get to present new evidence or call new witnesses. An appellate court simply reviews the written record from the original trial to see if the judge made a significant legal error that affected the outcome. Now, for the main question. After a final decision is made in a trial court, you generally get one appeal as of right. This means an intermediate appellate court is required to hear your case and review it. Whether you're in the state or federal court system, this first appeal is your primary, and often only, guaranteed chance to have a higher court look for mistakes. So, for most cases, the most realistic answer is that you can appeal once. But what happens if you lose that first appeal? Can you go higher? The answer is yes, but this is where your rights end and you have to start asking for permission. Your next step would be to petition the highest court in that jurisdiction. In a state system, this is typically the state Supreme Court. In the federal system, the final stop is the U.S. Supreme Court. These top courts have what is called discretionary review, which means they get to pick and choose the cases they hear. You have to file a formal request, called a petition, and try to persuade the justices that your case involves a very important or unresolved legal question that affects more than just you. The odds of being chosen are extremely low. For instance, the U.S. Supreme Court receives thousands of petitions each year but agrees to hear only about 1% of them. They are looking for cases that can clarify a law for the entire nation, not just to correct a single error in a lower court. So, to summarize the typical path, you have your trial, then you get one guaranteed appeal. If you lose that, you can ask a higher court for a second appeal, but they will almost certainly say no. The legal system is designed to provide a check on the trial court, but it's also built to bring cases to a final conclusion. You can't just keep appealing over and over again until you get the result you want. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more simple breakdowns of complex legal topics.